Welcome back to Taslima Maya Art this week, my friends, and today on the Creative Art Collective I'm going to be doing a little bit of crafting with my kids, doing a mosaic photo frame with Safi and Sara. I hope you enjoy this. Do watch my fellow artists straight after me, and you'll find the playlist down below.
Hello everyone, today we are going to be doing a mosaic photo frame.
That's a nice craft kit.
It's a craft kit.
How long have you had this?
I don't remember.
Ages, isn't it?
Yeah.
That looks great. So what do you have to do? Make a colourful shimmery photo frame.
Yeah.
And you make it out of little mosaic stones, do you?
Yeah.
Should we see what's on the back of the kit? What does it say? What's the contents? So it gives you a wooden frame. It's 4 inches by 6 inches, and then some white glue, a popsicle stick to apply with glue, and then also some assorted, 120 grams of assorted mosaic pieces. That looks really good.
Should we open it now?
Yeah, so you've got to decorate your own photo frame. Let's get everything out of the contents.
I'll just...
Wow. Let's have a look at this. Looks good.
There's plastic on this.
Oh yeah, you better open that up then,
How
sweetheart.
do I do it?
Let's put the fingers through here. Oh, we might have to get some scissors.
Oh, your nails are sharp, Mum.
Yep. Perfect. And let's see what sort of stones they are, shall we?
Ooh,
Take
that's
off,
cool.
take off.
And the glue.
Wow.
When decorating your photo frame, it is best to work on a flat surface with plenty of space around you, applying the mosaics. Use the spreader stick to apply a thin layer of glue to a small area of the frame. Work in small areas no more than
4 centimeters.
4 centimeters
Square.
at a time. This ensures the spread glue doesn't dry before you apply the mosaic pieces. Gently apply mosaic pieces to the area covered in glue. When applying the mosaics, don't go right to the edge of the spread glue. This will make it harder to apply glue in the next work area. Repeat the process until you have decorated the entire frame. If your glue dries, simply and add another thin layer and continue. Okay, so now we are going to put some of the mosaic in this tray.
Yep, the little tiles go with the stones.
Okay.
Perfect.
Is this okay?
Yeah, perfect.
Yeah.
Have a look. They're quite pretty, aren't they?
Yeah.
What do you think? What do you think of the stones?
They're pretty.
Lovely. Now you can get the glue,
Yeah.
and you're going to open the glue up, and then we're going to apply 4 centimeters. 4 centimeters is only about this much.
Okay.
That much.
So this much?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
What are we going to apply it with, though?
The stick.
It says a
Mummy?
stick, but yeah. Okay. Right, do you want to do it, or shall I? Just, you want to start by there in the middle? Put a tiny blob on. That's enough. Put the lid back on.
So I'm gonna spread it around gently. And now I'll do this one.
Actually. Good girl.
Is that okay?
Yeah, but you have to try and put them at the edge, otherwise it's going to be hard later to find one small enough. So we're going to have to try and get them to the edge. That's
I know.
it.
I got this tiny orange one. I'll put it. So you have to start on the edge and work your way inwards.
Okay, I'll put the glue on for you. Now carry on.
And what colour next? I'll do this.
Go on
Green.
Go on in.
It looks nice.
Very
I'll put
pretty.
it here.
Perfect.
Yay. Done. So now I'm going to put this one. It's really pretty. Here. Now I'm going to put this nice blue one. I like the blue ones. They're all really nice colors. This one, I don't know what color this is. This one looks like a funny shape.
Yeah.
I'll put it, maybe I should put that one there. This one here. Just put it like here. And now, okay, this one here. Now what color next? This one. I got this really cool rock.
Did you?
Yeah.
You just
I
finished
think
it.
I should put it here. I'll put it here. Now I'm gonna do this funny shaped one, and I'll put it here. Now what
look at it
other
closer.
ones?
Very pretty.
I don't know which one to pick. They're all so beautiful. I'll just close my eyes and pick.
Right, it's going well. How is it going?
Okay, so now it looks like
It's
this.
half done.
Yeah.
Well, let's have a look closer.
I'm gonna split this and leave half of it for my sister.
Oh,
And
she'd
I'm
love
gonna do
that.
it with her later.
Wow, look at that. Look at the shiny little stones.
Okay, let's finish this bit.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
Down. You can help, Mummy.
Okay.
I'll do this
This
one.
glue is very thick, isn't it?
Yeah, I said it was thin.
Did it?
Yeah.
Do you like doing this kind of thing?
Yeah, it's fun.
It is actually.
And the glue actually dries quick.
It really does.
Yeah. I'm gonna choose this one. Okay, this one now.
It's actually quite interesting how it all fits together.
Yeah.
There's so many shapes and sizes, isn't it?
Yeah, look at this funny one.
Yeah, even that fits.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Yeah, it's crazy how that one fits and it doesn't even look like it fits.
Mhm.
But it does. It's so funny. This is fun.
I find one side of the stone is shinier than the other.
Yeah, one side of the stone.
I put the shiny bit up.
Yeah, put the shiny bits up.
It looks nicer.
Mhm.
I think this green is nice.
So let me see which one. Oh, this blue is nice.
Yeah.
Oh, this is the shiny. Which one is the shiny side?
Let's have a look. Neither of them. Oh, that one. This is nice and shiny.
Oh,
That side is
this
shiny.
is so shiny.
Yeah. We need more glue, don't we?
Mm-hmm.
Out of glue. Okay. We'll tap them down. Make sure they're all stuck. Wow, that's dried really fast.
Yeah, it
Now, should we
looks
leave the
so
rest for
good.
Sarah?
Maybe we should cut this.
You just want to do all of it, don't you? You gotta leave it for your sister. She's the one who wants
Let's
to do
just
it.
cut it.
Okay, we'll
here.
do it when she gets back.
Why does it have random kids? Okay, I'm gonna show Sarah how to do this. So Sarah, you get the glue, open it. Put it and open it on the stick. Put this on your stick. Mom, can you help me? Okay, so I'm gonna show Sarah how to do this. So Sarah, now you kind of spread it like this. I know how to do it. Spread it, okay? Okay. Yeah, try. Just spread it with the stick, okay? Okay. Don't touch the glue, okay? Okay. Wait, Sarah, don't go past here, okay?
Do you want some more
Good.
glue?
Do you want some more glue? Yeah. Okay. This is good for a beginner. This is good for someone who just started. Wow, Sarah, that's so good. Okay, now, is that okay? Is that okay, Mum?
Yeah.
Okay, Sarah, take that off. Put it away, okay?
Give it to me.
Give it to Mum. Give it to Mum, okay? Now I'll show you an example. Take a rock. I'll put it on the stool. No, Sarah. Take a rock. What? Take a rock. I want this rock. Okay, take a rock. Sarah, find somewhere where it might fit. Okay. And then stick it there. Okay. But make sure it fits. Wow, Sarah. But make sure it's always flat, okay? Let me see. Okay, there.
Now she knows. Now get the way. Let her have a go, please.
Okay, keep going, Sarah. But make sure you keep the flat ones on the edge, okay? The flat ones on the edge? Flat ones everywhere, okay? Just everywhere. And soon it will start to look like this. Oh, pretty. Look. Yeah, it is pretty. And why do you have a baby voice? Do it on the video, Sarah. Remember when you used to say something at the end of the video? No one heard until you just said it, and Mum had to tell everyone. Poo poo. Yeah, you said poo poo. You did. Bye bye. We don't say goodbye, Sarah. We're finishing this. No, Sarah, no. Let me show you. Okay. Keep it. Just make sure. No, Sarah. Just Mum, can you help me, Mum? Can you help her? She's not doing it right. This one? No. Sarah, let me show you. Let's do this one. No. How about this nice blue? I want the pink one. This one. This one is shaped like a heart. Yeah. Okay, so where do you think it will be good? Heart. Okay, so where should we put this? Over there. Yeah. Does that look good? Yeah. I want to do a white one. Okay, Sarah, this one won't work. We're gonna put it somewhere else. Wait, Sarah, show me the ones that you're gonna put, and I'll help. I want a bright, shiny one. Okay, where should we put it? Here? I'll put it here. Sarah, you give me a rock and I put it down, okay? Okay. But I'll tell you where to put it and then you put it down. I'll tell you where to put it. Put it here. Okay, put it here. Oh no. Put it there, Sarah, okay?
Remember not to have big gaps, okay? If there's any big gaps, you turn them around and move it into the gaps. You push them around and
Where's
flip
the
it.
gaps? You're doing the rest of this. The rest? Where? Just by yours. Mum's gonna help with the do it. Blue. Okay?
Just keep going, girls. You're doing a really good job.
I need the spicy one. The spicy one is so spicy.
Spicy one.
Spicy is the spicy. Oh, Sarah, I need this one. No, I need it.
Not biting.
Okay, I found another one. Oh, Sarah.
Safi, just let her do it, please.
Okay.
It's controlling is me. Let her do what she wants. It's her turn. Now you've had to go.
Okay, I'll let her.
Yeah, you let her do it however she likes.
Okay, Sarah.
All you have to do is push them closer when she puts them down. Like, push them closer, that's all.
No, that's
Push it, Sarah.
Sarah.
She can do it.
Yay!
Give them a chance.
That looks nice.
Kids only learn when you let them have a chance.
Sarah, it used to be here. But now, after all of this, it looks like this.
Sarah, you're doing a good job.
Look, you're doing a good job.
Well,
Should I help to make it faster? Okay. Put this here.
Safi, you can do them down there as well if you want.
Okay. Sarah, should I do this here? Okay, let's swap.
Swap places.
I'll do here. Okay. I'll do here. Sarah. It's over here. You do one. Move up.
Yeah, it's a glue dry.
Move up. Okay. Move up. This goes super fast. Yes, it does. No other fingers.
Now keep going, my loves.
Are you gonna be baby? Zombie, baby zombie. No, baby hero. Yeah, baby hero. Okay, be baby hero for everyone on the video. Yay, baby hero, baby hero. Oh no, someone needs your help. They need help finishing this. I can do it. Yay. Baby hero. I got space. Oh no, I got it. Okay, can you be your normal Sarah again? Yeah. Okay, Sarah,
You gotta hurry up with the glue drying, girls. Less talking, more working. Let's get this done.
Just get the spots, okay? You do this, I do this, okay? And I think I might need more glue. And there's a picture I don't even know. There's random kid picture.
Let's change it. Random kid,
picture.
What do you want it to be instead?
Hour.
Okay. Looks amazing.
Hours on holiday. Let's go play with our bunnies.
Look at that. Beautiful. Well done, girls. You did a good job. No. Oh, something fell off.
Oh, where is it?
Let's get it.
Where is it? Here.
I'll get some glue for you. Here you go. Last one on. Mummy did the last one.
Okay,
well done. Amazing.
Yeah. Bye. Bye, everyone. Bye, everyone. Poo-poo.
I hope you enjoyed that light-hearted fun with the kids. And up after me, it's Let's Pour with Patty, followed by Casey from CWV Artistry. See you there.